I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get your Dodge Journey into neutral using an easy method. First, locate the Shift Interlock Release tab, usually found near the gear shifter. Next, make sure you press the brake pedal down firmly. Then, you'll need a small tool like a screwdriver or a key to insert into the Release tab opening. This simple action bypasses the safety mechanism, allowing you to move the shifter. Once your tool is in place, gently push the Release tab down. Keep the brake pedal pressed throughout this step. While holding the tab down, you can now move the gear shifter from park directly into neutral. You should feel a distinct click as it engages. Double-check that the gear indicator confirms your vehicle is in neutral before releasing the brake. For safety, always engage your parking brake, especially if you're on any kind of incline. Releasing the brake pedal while in neutral on a slope can cause the vehicle to roll unexpectedly. It's also a good idea to consult your Dodge Journey's owner's manual for any specific instructions or additional safety precautions related to your model year. Safety first. You'll typically use neutral when you need to tow your Dodge Journey or move it short distances without the engine running. While some drivers might consider coasting in neutral to save fuel, it's generally not recommended and can be less efficient than you think. Remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals. Thanks for watching and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.